Hi, I'm Hugh from Toshack. Today we're going to answer the very basic question of when to change your filters in your furnace and why. So I got a collection of filters here. If you have one of these little 1-inch filters in your furnace, they need to be changed at least every 3 months. These are the entry level, and the pleated ones are the better filters. If you have the large 5-inch filters in your furnace like this or this, they need to be changed annually unless you have cats and dogs who, despite your best intentions and no matter how much you brush them, you're going to have a lot of dust and dirt and dog hair in your duct system, which leads to your filter. So you want to keep it out of your furnace, and you want to make sure that you have good airflow. So it leads us to the question of why we change a filter. Change it because it's dirty. So have a zoom in on these here, this one in particular. That's really, really dirty. And when you think about it, if it's trapped on your filter, it's not trapped in your lungs. The point is, you change a filter when it's dirty. And why do you change it? When it's that dirty, it really, really restricts the airflow. If the airflow is restricted in your system, that means it's going to take a lot more energy to drive the air through your heating system or to drive the cold air, the cool air through your air conditioning, from your air conditioner through your house. Either way, it costs you money. So number one, it costs you money because your furnace is going to have to fire harder. It's going to have to push that air harder to get it through your system. It's not a good idea to have a plugged air filter.